Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain about section formula. In board exam 2010, 2012, 2014, 16 and 18, this question is asked. So this question is very important. Prove that the coordinates of the point are, that is the coordinate of the point is x and y, which divides the line joining P x1, y1 and Q x2 y2 internally in the ratio m is to n r m into x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n comma m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. Let us consider P and Q, and the coordinates of P is x1 y1 and the coordinates of x is x2 y2. And let's say R divide these coordinates at a point R divide PQ at a point R, X and Y in the ratio M and N. Means PR is equal to M and RQ is equal to. Now let's consider the X and X dash, Y and Y dash. And here the intersection of the vertical and the horizontal line is at 0. We call it origin. And now we draw perpendicular from P to x-axis at A, from R to x-axis at C, and from Q to x-axis at B. Now let us draw a perpendicular from P to RC at D. We draw a perpendicular from R to BQ intersecting at E. The point at A is x1, the point at C is x, and the point at B is x2. And here y1 will be this one in the y-axis, and the values of y will be here at the y-axis, and y2. Now we have drawn all this. Now let's go for proof. Let x dash O and X, Y dash O and Y be the coordinate axis, so that O is the origin, and let x1 and y1 and x2 and y2 be the coordinates of P and Q respectively, and let x and y be the coordinates of the point R, which divide PQ internally in the ratio m is to n. Now draw PA, QB and RC perpendicular to x-axis, and PD perpendicular to RC, and RE perpendicular to QB. Then in triangles PDR, PD equal to AC is equal to OC minus OA is equal to X minus X1. RD is equal to CR minus CD is equal to Y minus Y1. In triangles REQ, RE is equal to CB is equal to OB minus OC is equal to X2 minus X. QE is equal to BQ minus BE is equal to BQ minus CR is equal to Y2 minus Y. Now let us consider these two triangles. Angle PDR is equal to angles REQ because equal to 90 degree, and again angles RPD equal to angles QRE. Since corresponding angles, why corresponding angles? Because this RPD and QRE, these two angles, we can consider RE parallel to PD. So QRE and RPD becomes the corresponding angles of the parallel line PD and RE, and let us consider PQ as the transversals. Therefore, by AA similarity, we can say that triangle PD are similar to triangles REQ. Then if two triangles are similar, we know that their corresponding sides are proportionals. If we talk about this triangle PDR and REQ, BR divided by RQ and PD divided by RE, and now RD divided by QE. Now consider PR by RQ equal to PD by RE. Consider these two first. We have the length of PR is M and the length of QR is N. So we have M by N. And what is PD? This is PD. PD is equal to X minus X1. And how about RE? RE is equal to X2 minus X. By cross multiplication, we have mx squared minus x is equal to n x minus x1 mx2 minus mx, and let's open this bracket by multiplying nx minus nx1. So when I arrange, we have mx2 minus, this will bring this side, then we have nx1. So let me bring nx plus, when I bring this mx towards the right side, when I transfer, we have plus mx. Take x as common and we have m plus n. This one we don't have any common, so we will just write down nx1. To find out x, we will divide mx2 plus mx1 by m plus n. Let's say this is equation 1. In the same way, and now consider PR by RQ equal to RD by QE. PR we know this is M and RQ is N. Now what is RD? Let us see RD. RD is equal to y minus y1 divided by what is QE. QE is equal to y2 minus y. Now cross multiply again and we have my2 minus my is equal to ny minus y1. So if we interchange or if we arrange then y and y, y1 we have my plus my is equal to my2 plus my1. We have y equal to my2 made plus my1 divided by m plus n. Let's say this is equation 2. From 1 and 2, hence the coordinates of R which divide PQ in a ratio m is to n is x and y. That is x and y is equal to, replace the values of x is equal to mx2 plus mx1 and comma, and the values of y is my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Hence we find the coordinates of R. Thank you for watching. You guys have a nice day.